Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to buy a house in 2023. The home buyer's guide of navigating the 2023 real estate market. Okay, so we're going to dive right into the real estate scene in the DC, Maryland, and Virginia area in 2023. I know it's like a roller coaster ride for you first time home buyers or move up buyers or whoever's looking for a home. But after the crazy demand and soaring prices we've seen, we're now in a transition phase. Home prices and mortgage rates they're up there, but it's not a doomsday scenario. Okay. In fact, it's shaping up to be a more balanced market, which can always be awesome news for buyers. So the market is shifting and you might have more room to negotiate than in the past. Okay. So maybe it's like a game of chess.
Never mind. I don't even know how to play chess, but it sounded good. But what I mean is, it allows you to make some strategic moves. That's all I'm saying. But, yes. So,
anyway, so you first want to determine your home ownership goals. That's number one. That's key. Before you put on your house hunting boots, you got to know what you're after. So, what is your home ownership dream? Okay, it's like setting a GPS before a big road trip, okay? Because I know I need it, because I'm not going nowhere without Nanny, because I don't. Yeah. So buying a home is a big decision. So we want to make it clear and simple. If you're not sure what you want in your home, you might regret your choice later, and we do not want that, okay? So here's how to think and how to start. You want to think about your personal and financial goals. Ask yourself, when do you plan to move? What kind of home do you want? And what location? And how long will it take you to save for a down payment? Those questions will help you set your home buying goals. Before you get too excited about visiting homes, you have to take a step back and make a list of what you absolutely need in a home and in your home and what would be nice to have. Okay, so you want to make a list. And this list will be your guide, covering important things like your budget, the type of home you want, the neighborhood, the schools. You know, if you're buying a home with someone else, like a partner or a friend, you know, we want to make sure you're on the same page, okay? It gives the agents and lenders the information they need so you don't waste time on homes that do not fit your need. So that's a major, okay? So, all right, step 2, you want to check your credit score, okay? Buckle up, folks, okay? Your credit score is like your golden ticket in the mortgage world. The higher, the better, because it can score you lower interest rates and sweeter loan terms, okay? Let's just say your credit score is a shining 720, okay? With that, you can snag a mortgage with a lower interest rate, saving you like big bucks over time. It's like having a superpower. Never mind. So this means that lower scores equate to more expensive mortgages, of course. So that's number 2. Number 3, you want to save for a down payment. Okay, saving for your down payment is like building a treasure chest to unlock your dream home. Okay, so say you're eyeing a home in Maryland, which is worth $300,000, and you save 20% down. And so that's $60,000, and this will allow you to skip the PMI. But don't worry, that's if you want to go that right. We have an FHA loan that all you have to put down is 3.5%. So owning a home isn't just about the purchase price. It's the whole shebang, including your taxes, insurance, even your HOA fee. Your budget is your budget, okay? So are you financially ready? Okay, before buying a home, you want to assess your financial readiness. Ensure that you have stable income, good credit, and you want to understand your financial responsibilities. So before you embark on the journey to home ownership, take a close look at your financial situation. Make sure you have a stable income, job security, and a clear understanding of your financial responsibilities. Okay. Make sure you're paying bills on time and managing debts, and all of those are clear indicators of your financial health, okay? Ask yourself again, is your income consistent? Do you have job stability? And do you have a good credit score? Of course, we just spoke about that. Or are there any outstanding debts? Okay. Are you prepared for the costs associated with buying a house, such as your down payment and closing costs? Because there is closing costs, as well as the down payment. So it's a great idea to consult with your agent, and your agent will help you get with a mortgage specialist at that stage, and they can assess your financial readiness and guide you on the next steps. Okay, so we want to talk about how much you can afford. Determining how much you can afford is crucial for a successful home purchase. Affordability goes beyond your current income. It involves like evaluating your monthly expenses, including utilities, insurance, groceries, and other bills. So understanding your financial limits will help you set a realistic budget for your new home. Okay, so you want to make sure you have your savings as well. Okay, so savings are like a safety net in home ownership. They not only cover your down payment, but it also help with unexpected expenses that may arise after you move in, such as repairs or emergencies. So you want to start saving early and consistently. Consider maybe opening a dedicated savings account for your home ownership goals. Like, that would be great. And it'll allow you to be comfortable with taking this leap. Okay, so having savings not only improves your chances of securing a mortgage, but it also gives you peace of mind as a homeowner. Okay, I remember. Okay, so we're going to break it down on when it comes to the taxes and all of those things that are included after you purchase your house, such as property taxes. It can vary depending on your location and the assessed value of your home. On average, they can typically range from 1% to 2% of your home's value annually. To estimate your monthly property tax expense, you want to divide the annual property tax amount by 12. Okay, so for example, if your property taxes are 1.5% of your home's value and your home is worth $200,000, the annual property tax would be $3,000 and your monthly allocation would be approximately $250. This is just an estimate. Okay, so let's talk about home insurance. Okay, this cost may vary widely based on factors such as your home location, size, construction type, and the coverage you choose. Okay, so as a rough estimate, again, you might allocate around $100 to $150 per month for home insurance. Okay, however, it depends significantly on like the quotes and insurance providers that you choose in your area. So make sure you get an accurate figure based on your specific circumstances. Okay, so remember, these are just general estimates, and it's crucial to consult with local experts and insurance providers to get precise figures tailored to your situation. Okay, so next, step 5, you want to shop for a mortgage. Now it's time to shop for a mortgage. You'll get with the mortgage consultant, and we're embarked on your quest for the perfect mortgage deal. So you want to obtain a pre-approval. Imagine you're pre-approved with an interest rate of 3.5% and a budget of $200,000. That pre-approval not only narrows down your search, but also gives you the upper hand when you make an offer on your dream home. Okay, so yes, there are many. There's a couple loan options. So step 6, you want to hire a real estate agent. So this agent should be experienced, okay? Knows your local turf, speaks the lingo, and can guide you through the real estate adventure, okay? When you're on your search for a home in this competitive market, your agent knows the lay of the land. They know how to identify properties that match your wish list, and even has secret connections to inspectors, title companies, general contractors, etc. So they're basically just your boots on the ground, okay? So step 7, time to go see your houses. Time to go look at the homes in your area, the area that you choose, and see if it's a good fit. Just like, when you're trying on clothes, you got to make sure it's a good fit, okay? So you're looking for a home with a sprawling backyard, or for family fun by visiting multiple homes you can choose. And you can see what exactly do you want in real life. Like, you're there. It's no longer a list. So you want to make sure you're making the right choice and decision for you, your family, etc. Okay? So step 8, you want to make an offer. Okay? Time to make that offer. Okay? Crafting an offer means you specify the price, the dates, and the deal breakers that's in the home after you toured your home. And your agent is your secret weapon to getting a great deal. Okay? So let's just say you find your dream home listed at $280,000. Your agent helps you craft an offer of $275,000 with the contingency for a home inspection. Okay? The seller might counter at $278,000, and now you're in a negotiation duel. So you definitely want your agent, a good agent, okay, to negotiate on your behalf. Okay? So step 9, you want to get a home inspection. Think of it as a thorough checkup for your potential castle. Okay? An inspector unveils like any secrets, so you can make an informed choice whether you want to purchase this property or not. And during the home inspection, the inspector discovers such like minor electrical issues, and your agent is the one that will negotiate with the seller whether they'll fix it or they'll credit anything that they see in the home that needs fixing or repairs. So after the inspection, if any repairs or credits are requested, it's common to haggle with the seller, your agent. That is your master negotiator in this adventure. So yes. So if the inspector reveals like a leaky roof, your agent will help request from that seller, like either they fix it or they provide a credit to cover that cost. Step 10, you want to secure your financing. Pre-approval isn't the final showdown. Okay, so you want to maintain your financial game plan until closing day. Avoid any plot twists like new credit lines or changing jobs in the midst of you looking for a home. So let's say you're pre-approved and your closing date is in sight. It's like the final lap of a race. Do not change horses now, okay? So step 11 is your final walkthrough. Your final walkthrough is the last chance to make sure your home is intact. So bring your checklist, and you want to make sure that everything is still in the same manner during your first home inspection or your first walkthrough, I'm sorry. So during the final walkthrough, you spot a few loose ends. What your agent would do will communicate with the seller and the lender and make sure everything's squared away before you close on your home. Okay? All right. So step 12, it's closing time. Okay? It's closing. So after all the adventure, you're about to become the rightful owner. So we're going to sign those papers, get the keys, and welcome home. Okay? 3 days before closing, your lender hands you the final deed listing all the details. You show up, sign those papers like a pro, okay, and hand over your closing costs. And there you go. You have your keys. Congratulations. Okay, remember, every adventure has its twists and turns, but with the right knowledge and a trusty real estate agent by your side, you will be well equipped to conquer your home ownership goals in 2023, okay? So just buckle up, and if you're ready, let's get ready and get going. We'll end with just a summary of what we spoke about in this video. You want to first make sure you're financially ready. Know how much you can afford, okay? Do you have savings for your down payment? You got to hire a real estate agent, okay? Get your loan approved. Get a pre-approval. Start house hunting. Make that offer. Get a home inspection. Negotiate repairs. Secure home insurance. Have your home appraised. And then you have your final walkthrough. And then you close on your home. So that's it. So that's the end of our video. The home buyer's blueprint and navigating the 2023 real estate market. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I come on. I will be on weekly to give you value and educate you on the process of buying your first home, whether you're moving up, whether you're selling your house, getting a new house, and just being educated on the process of buying a home. And feel free to comment below. I will respond to every comment. And if you have anything that you would like for me to discuss in these videos, do not hesitate to comment below and I will address it, okay? So I look forward to seeing you in the next video.